Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the alignment of the Southern Coastal Highway. This is by Mespo Gardens, and this is where the existing road meets a new road that was built through the hills. And I must say, I'm very impressed with the work done out here. Within the last 4 weeks, this area has been transformed. Now, 4 weeks ago, this road that you're looking at wasn't there. It was like a slope, you go down. There was a lot of persons were like, did something go wrong here? Because the road just didn't look like, the existing road didn't look like it lined up with the new section. And for some reason, they left this till the last. But look at this, guys, it lines up perfectly. I mean, should we have really doubted China Harbour Engineering Company? They have come through so many times. They're building this highway from Harborview to basically Harborview to Yalos. 4 lanes. They're built the Maypen to Mandeville Highway. They are the one who do all the major highways in Jamaica, all the major roads. They are the #1 contractor in Jamaica. Even though they are not a Jamaican company, they're a Chinese company. But they are the #1 contractor. Now there you can see the Jersey barrier lining up perfectly with those other sections. At the top of the video where you see that road, that's the road going through the hills. They actually built it going through the hills so you can see the hill that was dug down. And it lines up perfectly with this area. I'm not sure how the access to this area is going to go, but it's in terms of the main road, it lines up perfectly. Now there's some more work left to be done. Look at the left here where you see that orange thing. Some more work needs to be done there. They have to dump it up some more to get the 2 lanes, but we can see the alignments and we can see how everything flows. So job well done to China Harbour Engineering Company. And really, should we have doubted them? So to the left and right are where we are now. That's a road to the left and there's a road to the right. But the Jersey barrier is going to hamper the turning. And also straight ahead, that is the old road. If you want to take the old road, it's still open. You can take the old road and come out by Grandspen. Come out to the highway and enter Grandspen off the highway. There you can see the other road. So we're just going to wait and see how you would access these communities from the main road. But I don't think the communities are that big. So we're not sure, but there seems to be something we want to look at to see how you're going to access these communities from the main road, because the Jersey barrier prevents turning. And I guess they didn't have enough space to make 6 lanes so you could put in a turning lane. Definitely not on the left. There is no space for the turning lane. And to the right, they don't have, well, they didn't put in a turning lane. So that's probably why they put the concrete barricade going right around so you can't turn. But we'll check on it. Right here now, as you can see, they need to dump up some more and to make the 4 lanes. But we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on. But in terms of the alignment, the Jersey barriers line up perfectly. The road lines up perfectly. Job well done. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.